Hey, I'm Steve, and this is my Electric XP 3.0 e-bike, and today I'm going to install the UPANBIKE Swept Back Handlebars. I'm installing these bikes for comfort. On a lot of e-bikes they have pretty straight handlebars and you have to lean forward, and that can be uncomfortable on long rides. Depending on what kind of bike you have, is how you change these out. On mine, you simply loosen what's already on the existing handlebar, slide everything off, and then slide everything back on the new UPANBIKE handlebars. It's a very easy process and took me about 30 minutes or so. Here's the new handlebar installed, and I'm going to tell you, the results are just amazing when it comes to comfort. Alright, here I am taking my first test ride, and I absolutely love it. The comfort is way more now with these swept back bars than with the original. I recommend it, and if you're watching this video, I hope you found this helpful.